What is up, my fellow budget travelers? Today I'm coming at you from the Renaissance Columbus Downtown Hotel in Columbus, Ohio. We came in town for a concert, so you know we had to make the most of it. So check out this video. I'm going to give you a tour of the hotel, and at the end, I'll give you some ideas of things in the area that are walking distance and or a short drive or Uber ride away. One thing I like about Marriott hotels is they always have this little shop down in the lobby, so you don't have to worry about going outside in the middle of the night if you get the munchies or if you're thirsty, because you can just go downstairs and charge it to your room and they'll bill you at the end of your stay. And this one even has a microwave, so you can pop it in there as soon as you buy it. They have a really cozy lobby area with really cushiony chairs and things. And then as you go around the corner there in the back, they have a bar, and then they also have a restaurant on this first floor as well. So before I get into all that, let me show you the room because I know that's what you're really here for. So they have a bunch of elevators which came really often. They were really quick too. And they open up right into the lobby, so it's a short walk over to the elevators once you check in. It's all decorated, kind of Art Deco inside. And this property has 21 floors. And this hotel also has a gym, they've got a pool, and they've got laundry. If you look out the window here, you can see the pool down below. It was closed at this time of year, but apparently it's really nice. I'll go down there later and show you. Here's your ice over here, kind of as soon as you get off the elevator. They've also got a microwave on each floor as well. You can see the hotel hallways are just kind of basic. But once you get into the room, that's where the fun starts. I mean, look at this bathroom, guys. How creative is that? I've never seen a mirror before with a double halo ring light, so that was really interesting. They've got 3 angled mirrors here. My only critique is the toilet is really low to the ground, so just be careful when you squat. The shower is really spacious. You can fit a couple of people in there, and they've got really good products. I was pretty impressed. And then it's kind of like a rain shower cap at the top. It's got really good water pressure too. They've also got a lot of outlets in the bathroom, which, you know, we ladies love that. Plenty of counter space, plenty of towels. And then moving on to the bedroom, we got the double queen room. So they were pretty decent sized beds. They're really comfortable. We slept so good on them. And then they give you a little greeting as you come into the room. They've got this little desk area with a chair. There's plenty of drawer space. They've got a safe there for you. And then they also have a coffee maker. There's a bunch of different teas and coffee in there. Keep in mind, you got to pay for anything on the tables, guys. And then you've got a pretty decent sized fridge. It's got one of those like can holders on the side there. They've got some interesting architecture of Columbus. They've got your basics, your phone, your lamp, your clock, all that stuff. But check out these comforters. They were so cute and super comfy. Like, I just wanted to lay here all day. They have like a padded headboard on them, and then you get 4 pillows, a really thick comforter. It's real fluffy. There's a couple sheets under there. This material on here is like really weird, but does the job, I guess. There's plugs on both sides of the lamp, so you each kind of have a place to charge your phone and everything. And it was just such a cute little design on there. Kind of looks like leaves that are blowing from one side to the other, or like confetti or something. But we were in a party mood, so it really added to our already happiness. Then there's this little bench next to the window, and our view looked out over the pool. They've got a super sheer curtain kind of thing, and then they also have blackout blinds as well. And the window itself is tinted, so it's got this like film on it, just to give you a heads up. Hello, Columbus, Ohio. And sorry for like the film on the window, but look how cool it looks outside, guys. There's so much space for where the pool is. I'm sure they have a bunch of patio furniture and stuff. They said they have a bar out there too. But moving back inside, let's talk about the closet. They've got hangers with removable hangers, which we love. They've got an ironing board, suitcase holder, removable hangers. And the TV is actually centered between the two beds, which we love. Usually it's just on one side or the other, so that was really cool. They had one of those doors that either closes the bathroom or closes the closet. So just to warn you, because I definitely got bonked in the head at one point. And then here's how the lock system works. They have the slide over lock as well as the deadbolt lock, and they have a cover that goes over the peephole. They've got your thermostat here. And that's about it for the room, so let's go check out some of the amenities. So if you're walking in from the street, this is what the front of the hotel is going to look like. There's a lot of yummy things in the area, especially across the street. They have a pizza place, which is open pretty late. There's a Starbucks, a bunch of little restaurants around, and here is the front of the building. So you're gonna walk in through this door here, and it's going to bring you right into the lobby. And on your right-hand side is where the bar is, which you saw earlier. They've got a really good happy hour, and it was pretty packed in here most nights when we came back. This was like earlier in the day, but that bar gets pretty busy. They've also got a restaurant here, which seems pretty reasonably priced. They've got a conference center here. They also have conference halls upstairs. And then moving over to the fitness center, it was pretty decently sized. There's a lot of machines, so should be pretty easy for you to work out. They've also got a water dispenser in here. They've got some free weights. And then they have the nice option of having laundry available. And they've got the pool. As you can see, it was closed, but it looks really fun. And judging by the pictures from the website, it looks like it's got a really fun view since it's a few floors up in the summer. And that's about it for the hotel tour, so let's move on to some of the fun things you can do in Columbus, Ohio that are right down the street. We've got Germantown. This is a must if you're in the Columbus area. They've got those cobblestone streets still, even just walking up and down the street and looking at all the historical homes. A lot of them have these lampposts outside, which I thought was really cool. There's a bunch of different parks in the area with a lot of things to read and learn about the history of the area. There's a lot of good food in the area, like this one is Lindy's. It's got a really cool vibe inside. The fresh burrata is a must. And just a short drive or walk down the street, you've got a classic German restaurant in Germantown. They've even got cutouts in the front. It is Schmidt's. This place has been here forever, and it's one of the most famous places in Columbus. I suggest trying the currywurst and having a Bitburger beer. Then on the other side of town, you've got Polino's Pasta. This place is amazing. It's all homemade pasta. And when we were there, they had a cacio de pepe, which they made out of a fresh Parmesan rind. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And don't even get me started on the wine and the tiramisu. And a classic brunch spot for you guys is Hangover Easy. They have really good coffee, really good breakfast food. I suggest the gyro omelet. And lastly, I wanted to leave you with some highlights from Kemba Live. This was the whole reason we went to Columbus, was to see this band. So I hope you like it. And guys, if you have any questions about Columbus, feel free to ask me in the comments.
If you hold your breath, there's no wonder it's yet to find you.
Otherwise, this is the video that YouTube thinks you'll like the best, so make sure you check that out, and I will see you there.